Hi ladies, I hope that you all had a great holiday weekend. I just wanted to touch base on the project. It's going to start getting really real this week. And I wanted to mention that it is not my expectation that you redesign the whole course perfectly. That is not the goal. I want you to enjoy this and learn. I don't want you to drown in a ridiculous amount of work. So really, it's about fully designing, I would say, one module. You'll have some overarching changes, so looking at the course goals and things like that, but really building out one module. And you are not being assessed on your content because it is not my expectation that you are a content expert for those courses. It's really about applying the principles that we're learning. At the end, you will put together a recorded presentation so that you can showcase your work, so you can focus on whichever area you have built out. Another thing you can do is you apply the principles in different areas. So for example, you might use a format in one module and a different format in another for whatever reason, and in your presentation you can just showcase those two things. So I know it's kind of gray and wavy and not black and white and linear, but that's on purpose because this is your project and you get to make some of those decisions. And if you're unsure and you're thinking, this is what I want to do, but I don't know if it's enough, let me know and we can talk about it. Pretty much every student needs to talk through it a little bit to make sure they're on the right track, but I'm not going to let you fall, and I don't have unrealistic expectations either. So please reach out, let's talk about it, and I look forward to another great week with you and some great posts again this week. Thanks.